Welcome to this short tutorial that will show you how to run a cell-based Phospho HTRF assay. As an example, we will be using the Phospho CDK1 kit with adherent cells following a two-plate protocol. You will be needing a culture plate, an HTRF plate, a plate sealer, and your HTRF kit. Start by seating your cells in the culture plate. You can follow these recommended volumes and cell density, optimize if necessary. Then incubate as recommended for your cell line. When the cells are ready, open your HTRF kit. All needed components are included in the kit. Now let's start the assay step by step. First, reconstitute your conjugates by diluting 20-fold the stock solution in the detection buffer. Then, prepare the 1x lysis buffer by diluting the 4x stock buffer in distilled water. Finally, supplement it with phosphatase inhibitors. Add the molecules of interest to your cells. Usually, incubation time is between 10 and 30 minutes. After the stimulation step, remove cell supernatant carefully, then add supplemented lysis buffer and incubate 30 minutes at room temperature under shaking. During this time, pre-mix the detection antibodies by mixing an equal volume of donor antibody and acceptor antibody. After the lysis step, homogenize your lysates by pipetting up and down. Then transfer 16 microliters of your lysates from the culture plate to your HTRF plate. Finally, add 4 microliters of your antibodies pre-mixed to each well. Cover your plate with a plate sealer and incubate at room temperature overnight. Remove the sealer and that's it. Your plate is ready to be read on an HTRF compatible plate reader.